Hi everyone, Kennedy here from Our Friendly World, and today I'll be showing you how to crochet the half double crochet stitch. Let's jump right in. To half double crochet, you are going to start with your foundation chain, or if you're working in the round, you will have your circle of stitches, and the turning chain for half double crochet is 2 chains. So I have my 15 chains here because I want to make 15 half double crochet stitches, and then I have 2 extra chains. So now I'm going to work into the 3rd chain from the hook. So there's the 1st chain, the 2nd chain, and I'll be working into this 3rd chain. To make the half double crochet, you are first going to yarn over, then insert your hook into the chain or the stitch, yarn over and pull up 1 loop. Now you should have 3 loops on the hook, and now all you'll do is yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that is how you make the half double crochet stitch. Let's do that again. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain or stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you should have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And once you get into the groove of this stitch, it does work up pretty quickly. It doesn't require too many steps, but it is a little bit taller than a single crochet. So as you can see, just a few stitches makes a nice thick row. And when you get to the end of your row, just remember that the turning chain is 2 chains for the half double crochet. So you'll chain 2, flip your piece over, and then working in this first stitch, you'll yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook, and you've created your half double crochet stitch. And this is what a finished swatch of all half double crochet stitches will look like. For more crochet tutorials and to learn how to make these other stitches, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching!